What? So you're the herbal man?
Yeah, I do medicines like for poor circulation of the blood.
Yeah.
Sugar pressure, sinus, arthritis, kidney problem, black tube, fibroids, yeast infection, back pain, belly pain, period pain, detoxing of the body, prostate cancer, pile, epilepsy, gallstone, heart, kidney, liver, sleeping disorder, sexual disorder, nerve tonic, stampede, bitters, acid reflux. My detox clean your colon, clean your bladder, purify your blood, and the colon, the bile, and the biliousness, and the venal disease, and the back pain, belly pain, and the bad cell, it destroy create new cells. And I sell me a tonic called solid as a rock for the big guys them which isn't too boasted downstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Coco plum.
So when I'm two guys, so we have Philip here, you know, so Philip, just introduce yourself, you know, to the program.
Yeah man, Everton Phillips, yeah. Here in St. Anne. This location is called New Hope, and it's could be a new hope for you if you are looking for a nice tranquil place to build your forever home.
Yes, sir.
Alright, it's a nice quiet community. It's not highly developed, and as Kino was showing you, the view, this area of land is just over an acre and a half. And we're going to subdivide it into 15 or 16 lots. So it's a small subdivision, and we are looking for persons who are like-minded, to live together in a small subdivision up here in New Hope.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well, guys, I'm here. I'm on the main street. You know, I come to meet a friend of mine. So welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Well. Blessed love to all. You know, I hope you have a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, I'm here in Ouchi on the main street. You know, I come to meet a friend of mine. You know, for him to drop off something quickly. You know, so then we can get back on the road today. So remember guys, like before watching, you know, the thing goes, or to put the thumbs up, you know. Thank you so much for your support, you know, in this program of Kino Life in Jamaica. We really thank you so much. You know, it's a blessing, it's been a blessing, you know, for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. Blessed, sir. Come talk to you. Alright, same I have something to talk about. So let's hear what this gentleman have to say.
Talk to the streams.
Talk to the...
Yeah man, delighted man. My name is Streams. Streams, S-C-R-E-A-M-S. Herbal
streams,
doctor.
like what they on the car.
Like river streams,
river
no?
streams. Yeah,
why this? Hey, what's you
YouTuber. So you go all over the world. So if anybody want to find you and know you, this is your time for the world to know you.
Okay, my name is Streams, man.
Yes.
I do herbal medicine, yeah?
What? So you're the herbal man?
Yeah, I do medicines like for poor circulation of the blood,
Yeah.
sugar pressure, sinus, arthritis, kidney problem, black tube, fibroids, yeast infection, back pain, belly pain, period pain, detoxing of the body, prostate cancer, pile, epilepsy, gallstone, heart, kidney, liver, sleeping disorder, sexual disorder, nerve tonic, stampede, bitters, acid reflux. My detox clean the colon, clean the bladder, purify your blood, and the colon, the bile, and the biliousness, and the venal disease, and the back pain, belly pain, and the bad cell, it destroy, create new cells. And I sell me a tonic called Solid as a Rock for the big guys, them which isn't too boasted downstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Mount Coco Plum.
So when I'm too bossy, you just give them something, forget about bossy.
Bossy, you know
So
what
that
I'm
means that
saying?
you must be the healthiest man on this planet.
I wouldn't say that I am, you know, I'm 75 born the 29th, 11, 48.
You don't look it. You don't look 75, man. What is going
What
on?
you say?
You don't look 75, man.
I look 75.
No, to be honest, you don't.
Yeah, man.
So that means that it's working.
Yeah, man.
So where they are? Let me see them.
Can I show you one?
Oh, so these are them in the bottles. Okay, so what is this?
This one is detox flush out, which clean the colon, and this is high pressure, yeah?
Blood pressure.
Yeah, high pressure.
So these are the only two you have selling?
No, I have them in the bags there, yeah?
Yeah, man, come on.
Because what apparently happened is that I am not supposed to be vending on the corner here. It's really a violation, yeah?
Yes, yes.
But, you know, you
It's
want...
the hustle. You have to make
Yeah,
ends meet.
you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so
But
you
give
trust.
them your contact number.
Oh,
just
my
in
number,
case.
523 523 1653.
Says 1876
1876
523
523 1653.
53.
Dr. Streams.
Dr. Stream. So them can get you on
Streams,
WhatsApp
STR. Can get me on WhatsApp, yeah?
anywhere at all.
Yeah.
And you're located, well, you're mobile, so you move around.
I move around.
You move
Sometime in Falmouth, Ocharas, St. Thomas, I'm around the place.
Kingston.
Kingston, you
everywhere.
know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So how about getting these stuff overseas?
No, what apparently means that most people I notice they buy the water bottles and dispose and put them in there.
And
Yeah.
bring it up.
Yeah.
So how many people have you cured with these?
Help a lot of persons, man.
A lot.
A lot of persons.
Can you imagine?
All the black tube and all that. Help a lot of persons. And the gallstone, I mash up those stones and they piss them out.
Piss them out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't stool that out, they piss it out
Piss
when
it
they
out.
mash up. You know?
You got
First
the
you
remedy.
want to find out how many centimeters they are and blast them. Yeah.
Okay, so hear it again, both gentlemen and ladies. So for the ladies, them with the problem, and the gentlemen, them with the problem. This
Yeah.
is the man, the herbal man. You know.
And if the John isn't too bossy, if it's not dead,
Yeah.
if it's dead, then you know it have to go to the morgue.
Yeah.
But if it's not dead, I can assist in that
Yeah.
area.
Okay. And for the man, them with the babies.
Yeah, sperm count, yeah,
Yes.
I'm there.
You're there.
I'm there.
And for the ladies, them boy, not to the contact this herbal man, because my highlight Snagapus already on this program. You probably heard about Snagapus.
I know Snagger from town, man.
Yes, sir.
I know Snagger there around the place now.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Snagger that worked through my program when he was helping a lot of people on my program as well too.
Well, I would like to get help on your program and see what it's like there, yeah.
Of course, because I'm a man that do charity in Trenchtown, so we help out the less fortunate and the
You're
needy.
from Trenchtown?
Yes.
I'm from St. Thomas, you know.
St. Thomas. I was there the other day.
Where in St. Thomas he was?
It was what's the name of down there? I was staying at a place called Mr. Brown's.
Brown.
Yeah.
Was it by Prospect?
Yeah, by Prospect, where you drive and go down Prospect. It's on the right hand side.
Like a motel place like?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we end up go by the bath fountain as
Yes,
well too.
yes.
It's the healing, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so you ever go for the healing, man. It's for
Yeah.
the healing, man. But guys, if anyone want to contact him, want to get information, you know, if you got any problem or you know, so you want to speak to the man privately, you can call him.
Yeah, you can call me after here.
have the remedy.
523-1653.
And
Dr. Streams.
Dr. Streams.
Yeah.
And have the remedy, you know, for send it down your streams, your blood streams line. That's where it's going, the bloodstream line. So we say, what you have to prevent the vaccine from the COVID?
I don't deal with those things, period. You know. I don't deal with the vaccine. I built some medicine that period and I didn't get any sale on that because I didn't really go too much because I didn't want to expose to this thing as I have that belief that it was there.
Yeah, yeah.
So I didn't do much out there.
Oh, so you stay
I
away
didn't
from
do
it.
much in that era, yeah.
Okay, that is good. That is good. That is good. Yeah, man. So who over here selling fruits? You selling these fruits?
Oh, it's the guy who just
Oh, the Rasta man.
Every time he move, you know, ain't
Oh, the Rasta man. Him? Rasta man there.
Yes, oh Rasta.
But it seems like so all of these things where you said we don't really have any of these problems as yet. You know? None yet. No problem. So I'm not calling down any problem, man,
No
because
problem.
I keep myself healthy, you know, I eat
That
healthy.
is good, that is good.
I'm a vegetarian, so I try to keep myself
No, but
healthy.
if you
as well.
doesn't really tells you when you're not doing good that year.
Yes.
You have to eat healthy to remain being healthy.
That is
healthy.
it. And I drink a lot of Snagaput roots as well too.
Eh?
Yeah, because if you look in my cabinet in my kitchen, pure Snagaput roots.
Okay.
Roots for days, roots for nights.
This man wanna talk to you when you finish, yeah?
Yes. We don't want some of your banana them. Please.
Talk to the herbal man.
Talk to the herbal man.
Princess.
One baby little one because
Mother,
the season's
the
out.
herbal man. Thank you for the insight and what you're doing here.
Anna man, respect, guidance. Keep
Yeah,
up the
man.
good work.
Definitely, man. You too, man.
Convey that good message of yours. It will work, I suppose.
Yes, man.
God's blessing, yeah?
Every time. Keep
Yeah.
healing the nation. Yeah, that's
If I
it.
hear from them, I don't even know how to get back to you, but I think I might be seeing you around.
You'll
Because
be
you say
seeing me
go.
around. Yes, sir. You'll be seeing me around.
Yeah, man.
But I guess what I do, I will take your contact number.
Yeah, man.
Even though your number is on the screen,
523.
even though your number is on the screen, so I will be having your number same way. So put your number in there, same way.
It would be dark like dark.
Oh,
But it's not. I ate
oh, what is
What's this?
Or they put too many numbers. So let's start again. 876. Let's start again. Mr. Streams, the herbal man.
just cut it?
Yeah, yeah. 523 1653.
That is it.
God's blessing you.
Herbal man Streams.
Yeah.
You can give a try, man.
how much?
So if you have any problem that year, just convey a message to me.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Fireman.
If I develop any problem along the line, I will contact you.
God's blessing me. God bless you. God bless you.
Right, I don't want it. Not for $3.
So I'm gonna one ring you so you get my number, so you have mine. So if anybody will contact you, you can say, Kino, thank you so much, you know.
793 3921.
Alright.
Alright.
So if anybody contact, you say, Kino, thank you so much, yeah. I get some contact, you know, and I really appreciate it.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
So I want to fruit in the morning. you
Yeah,
know.
man. You know, yeah.
Give me
Talk to the herbal man.
Hello, madam. Hello, ma'am.
These are the sweet bananas, you know. Banana have some lump in it.
Oh, you don't have to take out. Give me 5.
Talk to the herbal man.
Bag them up lower.
That really could that put some on it, see, because I'm turn food when you see that.
So I get little serious.
Turn fuck, man. 7 see, when I go in, I fix good for my phone.
Yeah, man.
It's not legal where we're from.
3921.
Yeah, I heard that.
We're going to jail if we get caught.
Yes, the main street. The street is busy. As you can see, the
What's your
street.
name again?
Kino.
Kino?
K-I-N-O.
Okay.
Yeah, man. The street is busy. Huh? Okay. Yeah, man. The street is busy here on the main, so you can imagine. The ship is here, so once the ship is here, you know, everyone is going to be here. Everyone is out. They have the market over there. You know, I've never been into that market. Never been into the market at all. Streams, the herbal man.
Yeah.
Oh, that white rum?
Man say, uh-oh.
Yeah.
See
I let
that?
him drink, man.
That him good for the
Yeah, but
structure.
me don't want to find a video, you know, right now because I get upset with Valiant.
With who?
With Valiant.
Valiant?
Yes.
Who the artist?
Yes.
Why?
Me do a video with him and me say, man I live life with me 2 pineapple. And him sell the video all over the world.
Yeah.
Around the 3,000 I give me because I say go buy a drink. You know my rum, man.
Wait, say which song? Man I live like Rasta.
Man I live like man I live like Rasta.
Yeah.
No beef, no pork, no problem. I have to do that about 4 times in the song.
Oh, so you're thinking copy?
No, I know he copy me, he just invite me, but me think of freestyle.
Yeah. Man I live like Rasta.
Oh.
No beef, no pasta.
Yeah man, I mean that with 2 pineapple, look on a big screen.
Oh, I'm gonna look on that video there.
Yes.
You in the video, right?
Mm.
Alright, I'm gonna watch the video then and see then, right? Man I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta.
Man, no impasta.
Man not in pasta. And that song that gone viral and him only get $3,000.
Yeah.
Oh God.
And I come back and look for me.
And I come look for you.
And he knows I prove himself on the road.
Yeah.
So that me can't really run on a video or no nothing.
Yeah.
Because me think just a freestyle.
Okay. So you're an artist?
Oh, I?
Yeah.
Well, I love music, but I don't get to produce a song. I love singing.
Oh, so I'm from Bob Marley Town, Trench Town.
Okay.
That's where I'm from.
Alright. Well, respect. Me a Senton, man.
Sentence
And I
man.
don't know Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey originate from.
Yeah. I went to Marcus Garvey, where he's from. His hometown. Up in Sentence there. I was there. And I went to his house where he was living.
Alright. Love and respect.
Love and respect.
Alright.
Man, I live like Rasta.
No impasta.
No
beef,
no pork.
No pasta.
Hey.
I'm taking the banana we sent to go. Let me a small change, man.
Alright, I want to take the banana from you.
Oh, man, you can't take one little hand.
Let me see what I have, no man. Food, no man. How much of the banana, man? How much of the banana?
It depends, man, the hand where you would have liked.
Depends on
Tell
the
me
hand.
where you want to spend.
Alright then. Them are ready? Them are look fit?
Them are more than fit.
No man,
Them are called shiny banana, apple banana.
Let me try one of them.
No, not
Now
this
buy
one.
it, you know.
No, this one is not fully ready.
No, oh, exactly, that's what I'm saying. What do you
These are ready.
want? These are ready?
Yeah.
How much is this?
This is a $3, but give me $2.50. That must sound ready, but my goods.
Thank you. How much banana is this? 2 or 6?
6? I get that.
2, 4, 6. Oh, yeah. Yeah, count. Let me just put it down in my car. But 1 butter, 1 salt.
Kalam, can you get over? I treat myself at 100.
Okay, see the respect here,
A
man.
Chinese banana.
Chinese banana. So you told me not Chinese,
No, we call them apple banana, we call them China, we call them bumpy. Them have whole heap of name.
That have like a bumpy night. I'm ready to my car. Man, I live like Rasta.
They go and change the bag on party on the same. No, 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 after no, have done party. No, no,
You want party?
we have bigger sometimes. No, no, no.
What's that? Envelope.
When our little something, we grandson sick of dengue. And a big something, one man from my friends and what me a Chinese, we come back. But I can't wait. I'm still hungry.
You don't do.
Because if you want to get a see man, I can't do so much. Say no, no.
Alright, yeah.
See me have it. But I see me soon, I'm saying I come big or something.
Yeah. Alright, so you can buy the packet.
We can buy something.
Alright, then take it, yeah?
So me have buy something to white. White.
Video.
But something big enough to buy something. No, I know like say me have to go something big enough to buy something. No, man.
Yeah. So thank you, man. Thank you.
You should try that. Me have a medical something, you know. I'm now.
Yeah, just take care and be good, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man, I'm going to take care of it.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Take care of it, man. Be good.
Yeah, man. I will. Alright, bless it, yeah?
Yeah, we have got through. Call me later, yeah?
Yeah, me know
Yeah.
you count the money, so me can't stress you.
Talk to the herbal
You know what I
man.
mean? You're a family man. Mommy and daddy
Yeah.
will go through hell sometimes.
Hello.
Stop
me have a
them,
fans
sir.
over there.
Them know you.
Yeah, man. Well known, man.
Hey, look, go and see that. Oh, come here, go.
Let me come back. Man.
Talk to the herbal man.
Talk to the herbal man. Hello. Alright, take care.
I'm not a YouTuber.
Oh, when I'm a fan, how you doing?
I'm good.
Big up yourself, big up yourself.
Every time. Where's D?
Oh, leave her, she's there getting ready because she will come get some things. So we're gonna go on the road.
Alright,
Come
bring
here.
her. My shop is right.
Okay, yeah, Everton. Yeah, I'm there outside, I'm there at the craft shop in front.
My shop right.
Yeah, Champion Supermarket. Come up there. Okay, so me I come to the supermarket there and go right. Alright then, yeah, come. Alright then, alright. Hello, is that your business this?
Yes. See?
I am in. Show them which way there.
Right, that's okay.
Oh, Chrissy One Stop. So guys, you can check out Chrissy One Stop here in the craft market, right?
Yes, yeah.
Outrageous Craft Market. I imagine me just there and say, I never come over the craft market yet. And look at that. One of our fans is over here. So,
Yeah.
hey, big up. Chris, I'm buy something for you, man. What
Yeah,
can
man.
buy?
We have whole things right here. Then.
Cool thing, we buy something for you, man. What can buy for drink?
Here,
This
what?
help for me.
What? This. We have tropical rhythm.
Alright.
This one.
You get that
we have
tropical
this.
with in there.
Alright.
Which flavor that?
This flavor is reggae medley.
It's a new flavor this.
Me no
Reggae
look
medley.
good.
Hey. Support the business, man. Support the business.
No, you ready yet? Me not to eat yet. Make it go and rest.
I have to support the business. I think I have to support our fans. See there?
Kino.
Big up.
We go.
Trying out a new flavor. Reggae medley. You know the thing go. Yeah man, big up yourself man. Keep the change man. You know the
Blessing,
thing,
man. Blessing.
Every
Kino.
time, yeah?
Every time. No
Thanks.
left off of YouTube,
No
bro.
man, thank you so much for
Alright.
watching, yeah?
Alright. Bring
Alright.
D coming up, remember?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna show how we're there.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah man, so we're here at the craft market. So peace and love guys. So yeah, so my friend just called me saying here. So I'm just gonna meet him now. Well. Blessed love to all. As you can see from where I'm standing, you know, I made one mistake, but guess what? I never get to show you the drive to come to show you exactly where I'm going. But now I'm here. I'm literally on the top, as you can see the view behind me. You know, as you can see the scenery, the beauty of the place. Right, so the reason why I'm doing this video, I know a lot of the viewers them call me and them ask me about if I can inquire about any land for them. Right, so I just find the ideal spot. You know, I mean, I tell you, so this is a hot bread. This land is going to be for hot bread. So I'm gonna leave the contact information. I'm gonna make you speak to the gentleman as well too, and you're gonna also see him on the video. You know, so this is the whole land here that you're looking at right now, and you can see the view from over here, which is you can see the sea and everything. So imagine when you build go up, you're gonna see all the way. So with no further ado, you know where we're staying already and everything with the 3 hours and everything. It's not the first you're gonna see him. I remember him showed us the hidden river, and now we're here with Philip himself. Blessings, Philip. Come outside, Philip. Come outside, yeah. So guys, so we have Philip here. You know, so Philip, just introduce yourself, you know, to the program.
Yeah man, Everton Phillips. Yeah. Here in St. Anne. This location is called New Hope. And it's could be a new hope for you if you are looking for a nice tranquil place to build your forever home.
Yes, sir.
Alright, it's a nice quiet community. It's not highly developed, and as Kino was showing you the view, this area of land is just over 1.5 acres, and we're going to subdivide it into 15 or 16 lots. So it's a small subdivision, and we are looking for persons who are like-minded, to live together in a small subdivision up here in New Hope.
Yes.
So if you're interested, Kino will drop the link.
Yes.
In his
in the description. The contact will be there. You will see the contact number same in the screen, you know, where you can contact him, you know, because as I said, it's going to be 15. So right now he's looking for what, 13 more or 12 more?
Yeah,
12 more.
12 more.
So as you can see from this view, as where he's standing, right? So the land go all the way down, right?
And you're less than 7 minutes from the heart of Ocherius.
Alright, and you're less than 7 minutes from the heart of Ocherius, and you have Kanuko Fall, which is about what, 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
You have Kanuko Fall, which is 5 minutes away. So basically, you're looking down in Ocherius from here.
Yeah, man.
You know?
See the cruise ships when they come in and all that.
Yeah, and as you can see the blue over there, that's the sea you're looking at. You know, you're looking straight for it, but the view is breathtaking. You know, the view is breathtaking. So this is basically the land here. You know, so we're on the road right here, right? So as you can say, it's a newly, well, there's no one really much living up here. Right? It's quiet, as you can hear, you know, and everything. It's not, you have a house here already and someone's living, so you can imagine their view. You know, this is the road that we drive come up the hill. I'm telling you, it's an uphill drive. So you're literally on top of the hill. You can see the scenery, you know, you can see more hills along. So it's wonderful, you know, and this is the land here in New Hope, you know, so it's all the way here. So this is it, guys, this is it. So the number will be there. Please contact him, you know, if you're really interested in this land, you know, because this is going to go like hot bread once this video put out. So you know what time it is. It's going to go like hot bread, right? Wow. I true, me never have the next camera. Next camera, my phone could have zoom in. Cause you have a house right there at the top. Yeah, as you can see. But them can see it on the video. Yeah. We have a house right there on the top. You know, you have another house over there. You know, but trust me, breathtaking. So from that end, you can walk up more, right? It's better up here. So the land go all the way up here, see me, right? Yeah. Where's the border for the land?
So this is also ours.
Oh, it's also yours as well.
This is the other piece that I said we'll hold on to.
Okay.
And sometime down the line we'll probably do some villas, probably 6 villas. This is just under 3 acres, 2.87.
Yeah. Listen, your phone is ring like upgrade, you know. Look at this view, guys. Look where I'm walking. Just look at that. Jeez, yo, look at the hill view up there. You cannot go wrong. You know the tranquility. You cannot go wrong, guys. Just look at that.
So I saying so that this section of the road is paved.
Yeah, so this section is paved. So
this is just the bottom half.
okay, and there's road work going on. As I can see, you're gonna have beautiful road coming up here as well too. So them start the paving already, as I can see. So
And come to here.
oh, so you like
end.
this is the end right there. From here to the to that wall.
Like no man, go down to the road.
To the road.
Down to that dirt road down there.
Yeah.
So if you imagine up this down.
Yeah, when the wall them trees is cut, that's the view.
This is also
Is it up here as well?
yeah man. Front of you.
Wow. Look at the view. Guys, just look at the view.
All of the water, light, everything is here.
Okay, so this is water and light. Everything is here already.
Yeah, man.
Everything is here. Look at the view, man. Look at the view.
Go on here, so now you see the cruise ship.
Ah, you can see the cruise ship. Yo, you can't go wrong, man. Listen, you cannot go wrong. What are you not saying? I wish me to bring on my drone.
Yeah, but you can come back and
Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Look at the view. You cannot go wrong, guys. You could never ever go wrong with this. Look over here. Oh. Right, so now you can see down in a Ochi from here. You can see everything from here. See the cruise ship there? You literally see everything.
Moon Palace.
Moon Palace. That's the resort that was.
Rio Hotel on it, so Sandals.
Sandals, yeah.
And you go down towards Lowlands, all the way down.
You can't go wrong, man. Up here's a gold mine. The view is just gold mine.
And nice and cool.
Very nice. And can you imagine a night time up here?
Yeah, man.
Imagine, so guys, this will be a view as well.
See the house, eh? Same house, I'll show you from back down there.
Oh yeah, see the house now. Right on top by itself. Right on top. We cannot go wrong, man. You cannot go wrong.
Huh? Search me out.
Search me out. We can't find me soul.
I'm a neighbor, you know. You see that?
So this is the view and everything. Right, so this is where we walk up from here. The land stops right there, but yeah, this is the road same way. Then continue working on its paving now, so you can see the view. You know, and if you continue go up, it will be higher. So the more you go up, the more higher you get, right?
Not much, but you get all of this view.
All of this view.
Play field around this one still.
Yeah.
Why play ball?
So I know your phone gonna be ringing. Yeah, it's called New Hope. You know, so this hopefully one day will definitely be someone that's watching this video, right? And you can subdivision by what, 8,000, right?
Yeah, 8,000 square feet.
8,000 square feet lot. So
8,000
feet lot.
I was trying to keep the lots so within, because it's not about you know, it's not about getting rich. It's about giving people a start. And you don't have to necessarily start down at the bottom. We're giving you a start at the top.
At the top. At the top. At the top.
So
and that is nice. And we like that because see, he's giving back. See him here helping out our fellow Jamaican, because it's not everyone can afford the big $20 million house or the $10 million house. So you know you're getting something where you can start to build from. You know, and you're getting a wonderful view, a wonderful place, you know, tranquility, you know, the peaceful. As I'm standing here, just look where he's walking, right? Just look what you're looking at. This is all the view. You just cannot go wrong. Right? You just cannot go wrong. And
Bushman.
so with the 8,000 square feet, yeah. What
That's just under a quarter acre.
Yeah. So what you reckon you could build on that?
A 3-bedroom house, and it still gives you sufficient yard space if you want to have a little background gardening. Because I mean, this is St. Anne. The soil is good. If you want to do a herbal vegetable garden, you will have space to be able to do that.
And if you want to put a pool in the yard, it can work? Or you need more space than that?
Well, it depends. If you want to do a pool, it's going to be a small pool, and you probably want to look at a 2-bedroom that will give you sufficient space. And then there's no restriction. You can always go up.
Go up, yeah.
You can always go up.
So you can build 2, and then you can go up where you probably build the same 2 go up.
Yeah.
With the living room, same way.
Because there's no restriction. Say you can only build a 1 floor.
A 1 floor. So if you build 3, you can build up same way. You know, another 3 with both 3-bedroom, living room, and 2 bathroom.
Right.
That's a guarantee with a lot of space. We're not talking about no mini bathroom and
no.
You know, like what size room you think?
12 by 12 is a decent size room. Master bedroom is probably add another 2 feet, 14 by 12.
Okay.
You know.
Still have room to give.
Still have room, yeah.
Still have room to give. Jeez. This is it. You cannot go wrong, guys, and I'm saying you're more than welcome, and it's going to be selected neighbors. So anyone that call and interested, you know, you're going to get interviewed and everything, because it's trying to keep a peaceful community, because up here is very peaceful and quiet. If I drop a pin, you can hear it, anything at all, you know. By just listening to this video, you can hear the quietness of the neighborhood. It's very quiet. You know, up here just full of. Eh?
We find all kind of herbs.
Oh. So, yeah, search me out. So up here got a lot of healing as well too, you know.
Tell them what search me out, good.
Yeah, tell them what to search me out good for.
Well, me actually choke me know say it going on one tonic called Net is Herbal Tonic.
Yeah.
And it's a good one for everything. You still have to call to find that out. You can research it on Facebook, Instagram,
Yeah.
or YouTube.
Search me out.
Or
Search me out, but they can't find me soul. I love this view, man.
Yeah, man.
You got street lights, then I put up in the street lights here. So I guess that will go up there in the future.
Well, the councillors are very responsive, man. Councillor Bell,
Yeah.
and accessible, man. Live just up the road. Has a farm up in Beachertown.
Okay. So you're
So
in
he's very-
Canic as well too, right?
Yes. We are colleague justices of the peace. as
Yeah,
well, so
because
we're
you are a JOP as well, right?
justice of the peace.
Justice
yeah.
of the peace.
Mhm.
So guys, so you see the community we're gonna come in, it's all by justice of the peace. So you'll be well, highly secure. And also way up on top of the hill, lonely at the top. The helicopter need to get up there. But look at the view, guys. Look, I'm walking down, you can see the view. Look at it. You know? So imagine you're chilling out up here, sitting on your balcony, looking all the way over there. Sitting on your balcony, looking all the way over there. So, as you say, from where your land is, the tree them that's in front will be like a bit will cut down because they will see the views and everything, right? And look at that. It's beautiful, man. Oh, well. It's very peaceful. Very peaceful, very lovely. Very peaceful and very lovely.
That's the childhood home of Dr. Francis, a prominent doctor in Ocherias.
Yeah.
They actually have a small plaza beside the Ocherias police station called New Hope Plaza. That's where his offices and pharmacy.
Yeah. So this is we're gonna hold back, right? Let us walk up this one a little bit, right? So them can see. So this is another one where him have on reserve, right? I don't know if I mean my reserve it for, but this one is on reserve. So this will be, this is all of it we're looking at right here, right?
Yep. Almost 3 acres.
Almost 3 acres. So this is almost 3 acres. So this wall, the bill already, what kind of wall is this? It's a border?
No, this is like this would be the driveway.
The driveway come up. Okay. Wow.
But the same view that you saw down with the cruise ship here,
Yeah.
the same view you have.
Hey, remember that wall up there?
Yeah.
See him back across. So there's a lot of viewers ask me to inquire about land for them. I know you're probably smiling right now when you're looking at this. Like I say, we're keen to find the gold mine for us. So this will be the okay. So the drive the same way.
Right. And that way and that way.
Okay.
And then goes back towards the
To that way. Oh, so this will be the drive here.
right, come up. And then that way to the
And that way as well too. So you can drive and turn off when you're yard. Or you can drive and continue on. So what kind of buyers are looking for up here then?
Well, up here is a higher end, would be a higher end development. Villa type development.
Okay. So there's more villa. There's gonna be villa coming up here then.
Yes. So we're probably looking at 6 villas
Up here.
up here, and awesome view.
Yes, same way. Awesome view up here. Beautiful.
Actually better than the lower.
Better than the lower.
Yeah.
Really better than the lower up here. Because of the trees right here, guys, you can't even see. But I'm telling you, up here has got you.
This is above where we looked at the pieces here.
Yeah.
Because of
The trees,
right.
you cannot see. But guys, this is above everything. Because we were standing. So as you can see where the post is, that's at the top of the light post. So that's exactly where we're at. And what I like with these land we have now, it don't need no level. It don't need no work to level anything or to dump up anything. Everything is on a great level.
Walk down and look through all
Yeah.
of that to see it, but as I said, we're above the road.
Everything is on a great level. You don't need nothing, no dumping up, nothing at all to go on, no level down. As you can see, that's down. So that's the top of the light post. So you're literally looking on top of the light post. So that's how high we are, how it was below. So just estimate yourself. As you can see the view through here, guys, look. You know, you can see everything. Remember, these won't be here because these are land space. Ooh. Sweetness, man. Huh? Yeah. Church me.
You see how many different varieties of ferns?
There's so much.
What's it?
There's a lot of search me out up here.
Different variety of ferns you have right there.
Hey guys, as you can see, remember I will leave his contact number. We can contact him. They get all the information in one. As I say, he's looking for good. Well, you must know, you know, because he's gonna choose. He's gonna choose as well by interview, you know, the person that can still suit and fit, you know, his program that he's got going on here, and he's a justice of the peace. So you know, so everything is well secure, you know, everything is well secure, and where you are is a wonderful, a peaceful place, you know, as you can see. You have your own space, everything. So I'm here coming down from another one, so we're going down the hill so you can see. Just look at that. Oh my days. Oh my days. So look at this land. You see the land, you don't need no holy for work or anything. You know, once it clean up, you're ready to start your foundation. You know, that's what I like, you know, ever. And once you clean up, you're ready to start dig your foundation. You don't have no bag of dumping to do or anything at all.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. As I was, remember I think
Over here and over here, so it's two lot. So yes guys, so one more time here with Everton, you know, the contact will be there, you know, and just tell them what type of, like, you know.
Hey, we're looking for like-minded, you know, young professionals,
Ambitious.
Easy to get along with, team players, you know.
Yeah.
Look out not just for yourself but for your neighbors and your neighborhood.
Yeah.
And you know, loving persons who will help each other to build and grow.
Yes.
And you know, your children, when you do, if you don't yet and you do that, the children will grow up like brothers and sisters in our community together.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
basically, so guys are working some like mind, like Kino mind, right? You see, and the heart like my heart. So these are the people that we're looking for right here, you know. So we deal with love, you know, peace and love, because this is a peaceful community. You know, as you can see, it's nothing but tranquility. We don't want to get away from everything. We're 7 minutes away from the main street in Oucherius. You know, as you can see, 5 minutes away from Kanuka Fall. So we're not even 10 minutes away from where everything is. That's how close it is. And all the way you drive come up the hill. So you'll be looking down on everyone, you know. So you'll get lonely at the top, but it's the best view at the top. Right? It is the best view. And as I said, we're going to leave his contact number there. See me, and if you miss the contact number, you can also contact me, see me, and I will give you his information when you can speak from there. Because a lot of people they call me and say must inquire about land for them. And this is a gold mine where the Almighty lead us to. Cannot go wrong. And you're going to thank me so much for this. I'm telling you, it's a dream come true to land this. Never thank you so much,
Blessed,
you know.
blessed.
Thank you for looking out for the people.
Every time.
You know, so that is it. guys, so this is the drive, you know, to head to, yeah, we call it Opo. we call it new hope. Yes, it's new hope, new beginning, you know, for each and every one of us. So this is the drive heading back down, so you can see.
Guys, over there you have the Kanuko Fall, the back gate of it. So
you can see the cages along here for the animals.
Okay. So Kanuko Fall is right here, so right the back gate of it.
So that's the bird aviary, and so the roof of all the little pots for the animals.
Yeah. So basically that's a true stone that way.
Yep.
That's Kanuko Fall right there, so we're at the back gate, so you know to get there you have to go all the way around. Yes guys, well, so I am back. Yeah, so I am back from the land viewing, you know, and as you can see, gold mine for that land, guys. So if you're interested, you know what to do, you know, to get that land, you know, guys, trust me, you need to go and get that land, get that mullo, get that land, guys. You know, it's beautiful, it is lovely. You cannot deny the fact that it has a lovely view as well too, and you're like 10 minutes away from Ouchi, from the main street itself. You're not far away, you're like 10 minutes away from it, so you cannot go wrong, you know. And it's in a wonderful area as well too, so you cannot go wrong. Hello. Yeah, so you cannot go wrong, not even, yeah, you cannot go wrong, no time at all, not even for a minute. You cannot go wrong. So check it out, the number will be there, you know, in the description, you know, or you can contact me. You see his numbers running across the screen, you know. His name is Everton, and he's the Justice of Peace as well too. So he's the Justice of Peace as well too, of the community, of the gated place as well too, where we're staying at, you know. So as you can see, he's a great man, you know. So trust me, guys, stay tuned, you know, and contact me if you're interested. You know, it's a wonderful view, as you can see where you are, you know, up on that land. It will be so nice. Trust me, it will be so nice. So go and check it out, man. Have a look and take it out. Have a look, guys, and take it. You know, don't look it out, just go and take it. You cannot go wrong, trust me. The view is so beautiful and lovely. You know, lovely. What I try to do, I don't know what he's trying. Something I try to catch. Oh, what? We are trying to put the nest in it. Oh, you throw something on it. Oh, that's the kedingo tree. You're cutting down the tree and shape it up. Oh, so the board them they're running or so. Dangerous. Alright. So guess what? He's shaping up the kedingo tree and don't even know I'm the owner of the tree, so let's leave him to shape it up. You know, shape up a kedingo tree. I am the owner of that tree. Say it to me, say it to me. This right off the BM. Be Rasta man. Say on the work. Yeah. I go and trim the lawns. The man mash up the BMW. It's a lethal accident. Be Rasta man. I don't work at that. Freedom one. Now go on to my work too. So you're going to some old school. Big head split. Power boom. Them they are boss a walk, you know? So you're good otherwise though.
Yeah, man, I shall them from run so come on,
yeah? How far you start from? Yeah.
Come back with blood in my eyes. Come back with blood in my eyes. Sour! Come and say massive, are you ready?
Wow. So this is the 220. That's your work, and that powerful as well, you know, 220. Okay. Oh, so this yard as well to use waka in. Wow. So are you responsible for all the yards them around here?
all the yards them.
So how often do you waka them out?
Every 2 weeks.
Oh, every 2 weeks?
Every 2 weeks, alright.
Okay.
All of them. I'm on them start all of them.
Okay.
Monday from coming from so.
Mm-hmm.
Today about Wednesday.
Yeah.
All of these work is me one match.
You alone?
Yeah, alone shell them now.
So how long would it take you to finish all of these work in the community?
Well, you see, me start Monday.
Mm-hmm.
And I cut from all over. Come, you can come and show you.
Mm-hmm.
All of them I'm ready to down.
Come fast.
I'm show you. Rock it.
So what about the waste grass? You are clean them up as well?
One girl I will come rate them tomorrow.
Oh, someone else come and rate them?
Yeah, all of these work. I'm show you. Right now. And today is Wednesday. Monday all of these cut.
Well, right, Rowan. You done well, man.
Yeah.
Hard working, man.
Hard work. Yeah. Right, Rowan.
Very hard working, man.
All of these plates.
Someone started to pile them up already. Was that you?
Yeah.
Okay, so
right. Wrong side down.
that way.
That way I will do all these cutting.
Oh,
From
so
Monday.
you cut over this side as well too?
Yeah, but it's Monday me do all of these work.
Mm-hmm.
See them?
Yeah, that's a
and
lot.
today's Wednesday.
That's a lot.
Lots of work.
Lot.
A big 55-year-old.
Hey.
Mashing up these works.
Same way. With the music I go on, with the vibe, with the power boom, and a big head split.
And keep things going.
Same way, feeling
Just
nice.
like that, yeah.
So don't feel like so 55 is an old man. 55 is very young.
Young. Fit
So
for the journey.
Fit for the journey. More than the journey.
More than the journey.
There's a what them call it? The water run.
Fire.
Not the fire water. There's a spring run here, right?
Back round so.
And spring, right? I think Everton, they tell me there's a spring. I don't know if you can drink from it. Is it clean? I think there's a spring heading towards the where the river is.
No, I'm just saying that spring here.
Yeah.
Spring, you can go in a bucket.
Yeah.
You're not drinking those water.
No, we don't drink those water.
Those water don't ready for you. No work.
No work.
No work. No, that don't good for you.
No, cannot good for your system at all.
Time dirty, everything are going at the gully. People are throwing lots of garbage, whole fridge, everything at the gully. So dead dogs. So them water.
So over them here, you're gonna clean over there as well to walk it?
Walk the outside. I do those the other day. I cut that side, go round, coming back. Then I go in this side, go down.
Okay.
So you see me going down.
Going down.
And then when I go down, I come back round.
Be free to find a good rasta, man.
Yeah, keep the work going.
Keep the work going.
Yeah, have a sip.
Blaze up the fire. Blaze it. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Every time.
I go and scout it out, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Go on and see. But don't drink no spring.
No. Dirty. Like, I walk go around, man. See. So the man been working hard, he been cutting all the yards then. So every 2 weeks he cut them. You know, so it's different sides. So he's working on this side now for this week. So next week now he'll be working on this. So it's every 2 weeks, so it makes sense. Look at these gangster dogs. Watch me. Roll off the turf. Pure gangster. And dog you look like a real gangster. Look at them sit down and roll off the turf. The dogs them look like some real gangster. Yeah, I heard there's a spring. There's a spring around here as well too, so I just want to check out the spring to see what the spring is like. Because them said there's a spring around here. You get water springing.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.